Not only is Mi10T Pro an incredible device to power your creativity, it also features a powerful price. With a leading 108 megapixel camera, amazing software experience, the flagship Snapdragon 865 processor, and ultra-smooth 144Hz adaptive sync, this is one of the best devices available today. Mi10T Pro is built to power your creativity, so it features a 108 megapixel camera. And Mi10T has nearly all the features of Mi10T Pro. In fact, only the camera and design colors differ. Both devices are fully capable of adding new power to your creative game. And both feature stereo audio capabilities and include antibacterial accessories. Stacked against competition, you can see that similar devices cost as high as 1,000 euros. But for those of you who know us, and that includes all of you, you know that we believe in honest prices. So, the Mi10T will start at just, are you ready? 499 euros. And for more RAM, just 549 euros. And the Mi10T Pro will start at just, ready? 599 euros. And for double the storage, 8 plus 256 gigabytes at just 649 euros. Let's line them up. Higher refresh rate, better processor, better camera, bigger battery, faster charging, all at just half the price. As we said at the start, amazing products at honest prices. This is Lunar Silver, and this is Cosmic Black. Great looking devices, right?